Welcome back to Gemba Lead, where we empower you with practical quality tools to drive improvement right where the work happens. Today, we're tackling a heavy hitter, the 8D problem-solving methodology. Now, let's be honest. In many organizations, the 8D is seen as a paper exercise, something you fill out just to get a customer off your back. But if you treat it that way, you're missing out on a treasure. A true 8D is a structured approach, originally developed by Ford Motor Company, designed to dig deeper and wider to find the actual root cause of a problem. In this video, we're going to walk through the 8 disciplines, talk about when to use them and when not to, and how you can use this to grow problem solvers exponentially in your team. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Why do problems keep coming back? Most of the time, it's because of these common failures. Inaccurate problem descriptions. We don't define the scope well enough for the team to attack it. Skipping steps. We get rushed, we skip the investigation, and we make faulty decisions. Reacting to symptoms. We put a bandage on the pain instead of performing root cause analysis. When done right, 8D provides a body of knowledge so that solved problems stay solved. It increases customer satisfaction and, most importantly, it makes efficient use of your team's time and energy. The 8D process is resource intensive. You don't use it for everything. Use a full 8D when you have customer complaints or major internal nonconformances. The problem is systemic, chronic, or safety related. The cause is unknown, and you need a cross-functional team to determine it. Don't use it for small, simple problems or one-time issues. Situations where the root cause is obvious and you can fix it directly. Think of it this way. 8D is for stopping the bleeding on a serious wound, not for a paper cut. Let's walk through the steps. D0 is your preparation. This is where you make that go, no-go decision. D1, form the team. You need a core group of 5 to 7 people. This isn't just any group. You need individuals with process and product knowledge who have a vested interest in the outcome. You need a champion, a senior manager, a leader to coordinate, and an owner accountable for long-term success. D2. Describe the problem. Here is a golden rule. Do not define the root cause yet. Instead, focus on the who, what, where, when, and how often. Use pictures, flowcharts, and is-not tables. D3. Interim containment. This is your first aid kit. The goal is to prevent the problem from reaching the customer while you investigate. It's a temporary fix, like 100% inspection, and it must be verified to ensure it's working. Now we get to the heart. D4. Identify and verify root cause. Problems are like weeds. If you don't get the root, they keep coming back. In a robust 8D, you aren't just looking for one cause. You are looking for 4. 1. The technical root cause. Why did it happen? 2. The escape root cause. Why did we not catch it? 3. The systemic cause for recurrence. What business process allowed the technical failure? 4. The systemic cause for escape. What process failure allowed the escape? Use tools like the Fishbone diagram to see the big picture and 5 whys to drill down into the underlying root cause. D5 and D6 are about corrective actions. In D5, you develop and verify that the solution works at an engineering level, maybe on one tool or process. In D6, you implement it at the production level across all tools and verify its long-term effectiveness. D7. Prevent recurrence. This is where you think outside the box. Update your FMEAs, change your documentation, and communicate the findings to other sites. D8. Congratulate the team. This is often forgotten, but recognizing the team's success reinforces that quality mindset. Share the lessons learned and formally close the loop with the customer. Remember, the goal of an 8D is to move from a question mark to a solution that sticks. At most companies, the target for this entire process is typically 30 days, so work with speed and urgency. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Would you like me to do a deep dive into an is-not table or a fishbone diagram? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you at the Gemba.